And we speak the truth always. I want all the journalists here arrayed to go and ask them, ask government of Nigeria, what happened to treasonable felon? Where are those charges today?
From 2015.
They have just disappeared because they have no evidence against me. Anybody committing crime cannot go scot-free. I swear it. They cannot go scot-free.
Did you hear what Mazi Nnamdi said in court today? I think you need to see this video. As you're about to see this video, to try to like this video so that it will recommend it to other people to watch. This is your 104.2. A guy that always give you updates, but sometime now I was out because of Woken Ifena. So please do forgive me because I'm right back now to give you update how it is. Whatever that is happening, I must have to tell you. But today's video, I said, let me use it and start because there is something that triggers me. For what Mazi Nnamdi said through his speech, I said no. I must have to let you know that. Please, before you watch this video, don't forget to like this video. Like it. Just like it. So that's like will help YouTube to recommend it to other people. And never you forget, if you never subscribe, do well to subscribe so that any moment I post video, you'll be notified. Let's watch this video and feel free to comment. Say in your mind on comment section. Because this man called Nnamdi is God of Igbo land. Thank you. Let's watch them.
Onye ọbụla pụtara na-ezu ohi na-agba ama na-atụrụ ndị mmadụ na-eme ihe niile ndị a niile kwere na oyi IPOB onye agba onye ohi ka we are here to fight for freedom, for justice, equity and fairness. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more, nothing less. And we cannot be cowed by anybody. We are without fear before our enemies. And we speak the truth always. I want all the journalists here arrayed to go and ask them, ask government of Nigeria, what happened to treasonable felon? Where are those charges today?
From 2015.
They have just disappeared because they have no evidence against me. Anybody committing crime cannot go scot-free. I swear it. They cannot go scot-free. Anybody involved in any type of crime in the East cannot go free. And they're doing it because I'm in DSS. That's what if I said no idiot can try this rubbish. And they know it very well. They know it very well. And I suspect that some people in government are complicit. Yes. They are making money with insecurity.
That's correct.
They're making money with it. They know Nnamdi Kanu is outside. In 2 minutes, this nonsense will stop. Who is the idiot? Who is the bagger? That will speak when I'm talking. Who is the fool? Who is the idiot? I ask. That I give an order in the East and any idiot will counter it. Who is the bastard? I'm asking you. Nobody can.
Sir, are you
I'm Nnamdi Kanu. Who is the idiot?
No, don't. No, man. No.
What is it?
Can you tell us the ongoing killings in the East in the name of IPOB? What is your stand on that?
Anybody involved in any form of violence or insecurity in the Southeast
In the
name of IPOB is a gunner, and they know it. Let me come out of this nonsense, this mess. 2 minutes only.
There will be peace.
Only 2 minutes, I guarantee you.
And tranquility.
And there will be peace in the East, not just Southeast. Everywhere in the East, if not the entire South. Huh?
Yes.
That is
What is it? Calendar.
no, I want the hand. One here. There will be justice. There will be justice. I'm going to get more jack. Who is the back? So there is nothing on that that cannot be reviewed. Are you getting? Whoever plays the role he plays. If man does not see the person, God sees the person, and God will bring that person to judgment. And whoever is doing what the church is doing, that's all. So,